Welcome friends, thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. Today's another open house video of a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom Gardenia model designer home. This is a block and stucco home located here in the Villages, Florida. Let's go inside and take a look. Welcome friends, thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. Today's open house is located very close to Sumter Landing here in the Villages, Florida. This is a Gardenia model designer home with a 2-car garage. It is a block and stucco home located on a corner lot. As I walk up the driveway, I notice that it does have a pattern and a colored pattern on the cement driveway. It has very mature landscaping as well. This home has a new roof that was put on in 2024. Very nice. As always, friends, if you have any questions, please contact the listing agents Scott and Cindy Dunn. You can see it does have a new roof sticker as well. At Realty Executives, you can see the walkway has the stamped pattern as well as color. It has a sitting area here in the front as well. Very nice home. Neutrally colored. Let's go inside and take a look. Here I am standing in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice is the tile floor and the neutral paint colors on the wall. Off to the right in this Gardenia model, you will see the kitchen with beautiful cabinetry. It does have an area for a dinette. Very high ceilings with knockdown texture as well. You will see the lanai off to the back of the house. To the left, you will see a guest quarters. This is a split bedroom design home. This guest quarter does have a pocket door that you can close off to give your guests privacy. Off to the right, you will see a guest bedroom. Looks like it has laminate floors in this guest bedroom. Very high ceilings with knockdown texture. Has a closet with bifold doors as well. Very nice home. You can see the ceramic tile does continue into the guest area hallway. Here is your guest bathroom. Has Formica countertop, one sink in this guest bathroom. It has a tub with tile surround as well. Very nice that that tub area has a window. Lets a lot of light into that room. And the tile does continue in that guest bathroom. Here the laminate floors continue. And it does have cathedral ceilings in this front bedroom. This bedroom is a guest bedroom located in the front of the home. Very wide base molding in this home. Very neutrally decorated. Very nice home. This home is list priced at $515,000. And it does have 1,887 square feet of heated area. Let's continue off into the kitchen area. You see this tile floors continue in the kitchen. Here I'm standing in the kitchen, panning off. Those countertops do look like they're granite or quartz. It has a natural gas stove as well. Very high ceilings with knockdown texture. It does have a solar tube in the kitchen. You can see that it does have a 2-bowl stainless sink as well. Here we are looking off into the living and dining room areas as well. I will video the specification sheet to give you an idea of the particulars of this home and where it's located. The home is located at 687 Mallory Hill Drive here in the Villages, Florida. List priced at $515,000. It does have a new roof. The HOA fees are $195 per month. There are your particulars on the specification sheet. Please contact, as always, the listing agent, Scott and Cindy Dunn. They will help you if you have any questions. Very high ceilings, knockdown texture in that living and dining room area. That lanai area looks awesome. We will stop there next and take a look at that. I will pan around, stand in the corner of the living and dining room area. That would be the dining room area over there. You'd put the dining room table underneath that light. Very nice home, neutrally decorated. Here's the lanai area. It has that same pattern cement floor as well as color scheme. Very nice lanai. Very large lanai. It also has a small patio area out the back. Let's take a look at what that might look like. Here it does have a small patio area out back. I will walk to the corner and give you an idea of how this home is located and the yard area. Very large corner lot. There is, according to the spec sheet, enough room in this area if you wanted to put a swimming pool. You can see it is located on a cul-de-sac area. That is your newer roof there as well. Let's go back inside and take a look. Very nice home here in the Villages, Florida. It is a Gardenia model block and stucco home. 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. You do have privacy on your lanai. That sliding door will lead into the master bedroom. Very nice lanai. Here we are in the master bedroom. You do have the wood laminate floors continuing in the master bedroom. Very high cathedral type ceilings with knockdown texture in this master bedroom. That leads off into the kitchen. This is a Gardenia model designer home located here in the Villages, Florida. This home is located in the Village of Mallory Square, very close to Sumter Landing. Very desirable area to live. Let's walk into the master bathroom area. Off to the left, you will have a walk-in closet with a sliding pocket door. Very nice. Off to the right, you will see another closet with a sliding pocket door. Very high ceilings, knockdown texture. In the master bathroom area, you do have tile floors. You have 2 sinks, essentially 2 vanity areas in that master bathroom. You also see a separate commode room with a window. It has a sliding pocket door. Very nice. Very neat. It does have a walk-in Roman shower that is tile and a window. Light and bright in that Roman shower. Very nice, very large shower. These Roman showers are really popular for those folks that want to live in the Villages. Lots of them are looking for Roman showers in their bathroom. So there's one sink, there's another sink in the master bathroom. I will proceed out to the laundry room area and the garage area. Let's take a look at what that has to offer. Okay, we're walking back out of the master bedroom into the kitchen area. I'll take a panoramic view of that kitchen area and the living and dining room area, just to give you an idea. Has recessed lights in that kitchen. The front of the home does face south, folks. Here we are in the laundry area. It does have a sink in that laundry area. It has white cabinets. That should be the door that leads out to the garage. Here is the garage. It has cement floors. It is a two-car garage. It does have vents in the garage door for ventilation. All your mechanicals would be behind those doors over there. Very nice home, very comfortable home, located very near Lake Sumter Landing here in the Villages, Florida. Very desirable neighborhood. Gardenia model designer home. Here's one panoramic view of that kitchen area. Those countertops are granite countertops. For those that are interested in knowing this type of surface in the kitchen. Let's take a walk out to the front of the home. The front of the home is facing south. Just for those that are interested in that, I will walk out to the street. I will do a panoramic view of the street to give you directions. Very nice, very beautiful home. Front sitting area as well. That's panning off to the cul-de-sac area. As always, friends, if you are interested in this home, please contact the listing agents, Scott and Cindy Dunn at Realty Executives, if you want more information about this home. I do appreciate that you are subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. This is a panoramic view of the street. That would be facing east. There is your home, 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom Gardenia model designer home made of block and stucco here in the Villages, Florida. And panning off to the left, that would be facing west. Very quiet street. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking my videos. I do appreciate it. Take care and be safe, everyone. Thank you for watching this open home video here in the Villages, Florida. This 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom designer home, Gardenia model, is made of block and stucco and is located in Mallory Square. Thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing. Take care, everyone.